how's everything going? Sorry for posting this video late. I have had a long day today, especially with couponing, and then husband and I went on a date night. So I am just filming this before I do my live video, but I'm so short on time right now that I don't know if I'll put this before or after the live video, so we'll have to see what happens. But yeah, my CVS haul went awesome. I had an awesome list, an awesome list of stuff that I wanted to get. Register right when everything was scanning fine, and then when she started scanning my coupons, I was having stuff beeping and stuff was happening, and just I ended up spending 30 minutes at the register. It was crazy. The store manager had to get involved and like return stuff and repurchase stuff. I have no idea what the heck happened. They said I used a lot of my personal like CRTs I couldn't use because I paid with too much ECBs, which I usually, pay with whatever the total said. So I have no idea. Their system was messed up. I spent literally 30 minutes at the register. I'm not mad. It happens. It's always, and this is a weekend. The weekend that I don't work is the weekends I always have all my stuff go by smoothly. But the one time it didn't. But I'm here to show you guys what I got. Now, I will be doing the breakdowns for you. Since I have like 5-6 receipts of different products, I'm not even going to add up the total, how much I paid and all that stuff, because it's such a pain in the butt. Then I also forgot to have my card keys on me that have my cards on. So I just typed in my phone number on the red machine. And you guys know how if you ever look at your CRTs, it has the last 4 digits of your card number? Yeah, both cards had different numbers on there, and I'm like, what? I typed in the correct number. I go in the app and it showed that I printed everything because it was all gone, and I'm like, what happened? These are not my numbers. I don't know what numbers these are. So then I asked the cashier, I'm like, do these work? She's like, well, let's see, and they work. They scan just fine. So I have no idea what the heck happened, but CVS was just weird today. So, but I'm just going to show you guys my breakdowns. Like I said, I'm not going to do the totals and everything for you. So what I ended up getting is Kleenexes. Now these were 99 cents a piece. There's that 75 cents off a 3 coupon that you guys can print off of coupons.com. Plus I had $1 off CRT. So I ended up getting these for, sorry, my paper is like way over here. I ended up getting these for 41 cents. So $1.22 or just 41 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal. We always can use Kleenex boxes, and you can never not have enough. I pretty much have these like at every corner of my living room / kitchen desk area, because we're always like, where's a Kleenex? Where's a Kleenex? So why not? And these boxes are super easy just to tuck away and put somewhere. I ended up getting the Nutter Butters and Chips Ahoy. Now these were on sale for 99 cents. I used that 75 cent off a 2 coupon. You guys would just pay $1.23, or they come out to be 62 cents a piece, which I think is a good deal. And I love these cookies, and my son loves these cookies, so it's a win-win situation when we go on a road trip. The next deal I got was, now this is one card. One bag was one card and the other bag was another card. I got these bags at IKEA for 99 cents. I use these bags like crazy. I absolutely love them. If you guys ever want reusable bags, definitely use these. I need to like fold them up and just have them with me in my purse at all times. But I ended up getting the Brute or the Sure deodorant. Now these were $1.99. You guys want to use those $1 off coupons, you guys would just pay 99 cents for this, but then you get $1 back ECB, making it free. So can't go wrong with free deodorant. I ended up getting the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. Now I did 2 different deals with these. These ones I just bought with one transaction, so I ended up using 2 of those $2 off coupons that were on coupons.com today. So these are two for $7 to $3.50 a piece. I used 2 of those $2 off coupons, plus I used a $2 off coupon off of 2 that printed off in the red box today. So these ended up becoming just 50 cents a piece, which is a great deal on shampoo and conditioner. And I'm a huge fan of the Garnier brand. I ended up getting the Reese's eggs. These are on sale for 99 cents. I used that 74-cent off CRT, getting this for just to be 25 cents. You can't go wrong with that. I'm waiting for my husband to steal it out of my hands, because that's what he does best, is treats. He's like, oh, I can't wait. He's like, I can't wait for you to go to Target tomorrow. I'm like, why? He's like, because you're going to get me treats. And I'm like, oh, that's all you care about is treats. So I ended up getting the L'Oreal Paris eyeshadow. These were $6.49 at my store. I ended up getting the Acro Matte and Grand Blue. I like to do, as you guys see, I like to split my eyeshadow. If you guys want to see me do a makeup video of how I put my makeup on, like, it's 8 o'clock at night right now. It's not the greatest, but I can always show you guys a video of how I put my makeup on if you guys want to see something like that. So these are $6.49. You use two $2 off coupons that we got in today's paper, Sunday's paper. Plus, I had that $2 off coupon for CRT. Now, this is for L'Oreal or Maybelline. I wanted to do one or the other, so I did the Maybelline with my other card. So I just paid $6.98 for these. But then you guys will get a $5 ECB, making these just 99 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal. I got the Covergirl makeup. Now these coupons are no longer available, but these brows were $4.69. I used 2 of those $3 off Covergirl coupons that are no longer available. I also I ended up paying $3.38 for both of these, but then I got a $5 ECB back, making it a $1.62 moneymaker, which I like. I use these all the time. That's pretty much the only brows that I use is the Covergirl stuff, and I've used these since before couponing. I don't know why I never put it in my empties. I guess it's just because it's weird. But then I got the Almay eyeshadow. I think these are just gorgeous. I absolutely love the colors. They're pretty, as you guys can see. I love to go bold. So these were $6.99 each. I used 2 $3 off coupons that we got in today's paper. I also had a 3 off of 12 cosmetics. Not going to use it for anything, but we're just going to use it for these. So I ended up paying I forgot to use this. I ended up paying $4 and why can't I do the math on here? Well, before the $3 off 12, I ended up paying $7.98 for this. But then you get that $4 ECB, making it $3.98. But since I have that 3 off of 12, these come out to be just 49 cents a piece, which I think is awesome. And they're very pretty. I love them. Thrill seeker and making a statement. So that was one card. Again, problems. My 3 off of 12 didn't come off. My deodorant one went, or not the deodorant coupon didn't scan very well. The all my coupons were having problems. I was just having problems like left and right. So that's why I said I'm not even going to bother doing the breakdowns for you. And now I went crazy with my other card. So that was my newer card. My newer card doesn't have as many good CRTs, but my older card does. So I only had 2 of the Colgate toothpaste left. I will be doing the Colgate deal at Walgreens. I just don't have any more coupons. I ordered some, so I'm hoping to get those in the mail tomorrow so I can show you guys that deal. But these at CVS, and I went to CVS because I don't ever make another trip to CVS in a week, and Walgreens is literally right down the road. Well, CVS I have to drive a little bit. So these were $3.49. You guys want to use a $2 off coupon, and you guys will get these for $1.49, but then you get a $2 ECB back, making these a 50-cent moneymaker. So that's awesome, and you guys can do this deal twice, and I could not pass up free toothpaste, and I love how it glares in the thing. I'm sorry, I just love staring at the glare. Just love staring at the glare. I got another one of the Reese's eggs. I got the Sure deodorant. Can't go wrong with Sure deodorant. I ended up getting the Maybelline deal. Now this is what I use with my other card, so it's either L'Oreal or Maybelline. You guys gotta choose one or the other. You can't do one and one. So these were $3.99. I used two $1 off coupons that we got in today's paper. I went to Illinois yesterday and I got newspapers, so that's how I got my inserts early. I lost my place where I was at. I also used that $2 off coupon from the Red Machine, so you guys would pay $3.98 for the both of these. You guys would get a $5 ECB back, making this a $1.02 moneymaker. Now, I went crazy over beauty products, so I will be getting a lot of money for beauty this week. I'm super excited. But I got Humdrum Plum and Nude Glow. I'm starting to really like these colors. I need to use these colors because I have like some other colors that are just kind of old. I did the shampoo and conditioner deal. Now, I had problems with that CRT. It wasn't going right, and I don't know how to count, obviously. So, I ended up getting the Garnier Fructis. I used that 3. These were $7, 2 for $7. I used that 3 off of 2, plus I used that 2 off of 2. So, these came out to be $1 a piece. I ended up using, I got the L'Oreal Aleve. These were 2 for $8. I used that 4 off a 2 coupon. So you guys would use that, and you guys would end up, how come I did not do my math on here? I don't know why I wrote free. Anyways, I had a 4 off of 18 CRT that I used for this. So these would end up being $2 a piece, but I had that 4 off of 18, so I got these technically for free if you guys really think about that. And then I got the Garnier Whole Blends. Now, I totally forgot to do this, but these were 2 for $7. I used that 4 off of 2, plus with that $4 off of 18. And then there was also $2 or $4, I can't remember, off of Savings Star. So these ended up becoming free too. So can't go wrong with free shampoo and conditioner. So got all that. I'm sorry the math is just weird, you guys. It's been a long day for me. Just crazy. I got some mouthwash because why not? These were $3.99 a piece. I used that $1 off coupon that we got in today's P&G. You guys would end up paying $2.99 for these, but then you guys can get $2 back in an ECB times 2. Plus, you guys can submit $1 on Ibotta, making these free. I haven't gotten free mouthwash in a very long time. My stockpile is very low on mouthwash, so got those for free. I ended up doing the Paparazzi nail polish. Now I have so much nail polish, it's unbelievable. And I'm like, you know what, on the very top shelf they have like cubicle cleaner or cubicle stuff. They got other stuff. So I ended up getting the cubicle oil. My fingers get kind of dry, and I've been trying to work on my nails looking a little bit better for working, you know. So these were 2 for $5. I used, or I didn't, or blah, 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 blah. I'm sorry, I'm just having one of those days. You guys would pay $5 for this, but then you guys get a $4 ECB making them just 50 cents a piece, and I think they're great, and I can definitely use cuticle oil. I mean, who can't? Try to look for that. They also had some stuff where like you guys can put it on, and then you guys can put glitter on, and I'm like, oh, I should get that too. So I'm just gonna start getting other things for my nails instead of just nail polish. I did the Almay deal. The colors I got were Throwing Shade and Own It. So I got those with that card. I got the Covergirl lipstick. This was $6.29. I got that, plus I had two $3 off coupons that are no longer available. So you guys would pay $6.58 for this. But then you guys get $5 ECB coming out to be $1.58 or just 79 cents a piece, which is a pretty decent deal. I got It's Your Mauve and Sugar Almond, which I think are pretty cute colors. I want to start wearing lipstick again. I only wear lipstick like when I do my videos, and I'm like, I should start wearing lipstick, you know, look more sophisticated. I'm sorry, I'm just crazy today. I got Neutrogena, because why not? So these were $8.79 at my store. I used two $2.50 off coupons that were on coupons.com a while ago. They do expire today, so if you can't do this deal, I'm sorry. I also had a 5 off of 15 cosmetics. So I ended up paying $5.98 for this, but then I got a $6 ECB back. So these came out to be for free, and I love lip gloss. The one color I got is Shine, and the other one's called Glow. So can't go wrong with that. Husband's right behind the camera, and he's trying to be quiet. But that looks like everything I got. I think I did pretty good. I ended up paying, like, one transaction, I paid like 15 cents out of pocket, and the other one was like maybe $1. But then I had to return stuff and repurchase stuff, and then they gave me store credit, and it's just too much to handle for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoy these breakdowns. Didn't want to be too confusing, but I think I did awesome. This was one of the most successful kind of trips I did at CVS in a long time. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button so I know you guys enjoy it. And stay tuned for more CVS hauls, and I'll see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye!